How to use the poser generator. To initiate the process, navigate to and select the poser generator tool. This intuitive interface provides an extensive selection of dynamic poses to choose from that will eventually dictate the final posture of your image. If, however, you have a particular pose in mind that isn't available in our gallery, don't fret. You have the option to upload your own preferred pose. Simply click on the Upload button and select your desired pose image from your personal files. Once you've confirmed your pose selection, it's time to move on to the next step, deciding on the basis of your image. In this step, you have the flexibility of choice yet again. You can opt for any of the pre-existing images in our gallery, or if you want to add a personal touch, feel free to upload your own image. Next up is the creative part. Provide a brief descriptive explanation of how you wish your final image to appear. For instance, you could indicate something along the lines of, "A woman in a suit in front of a garden." Now it's time to fine-tune your project settings. By default, the system provides a set of standard parameters that work well for most basic requirements. However, should you wish to customize these to better match your specific needs, feel free to make any necessary adjustments. Lastly, all that's left to do is to generate your image. Simply click on the Generate button and watch your creation spring to life.